Taking a look at the back of this Toyota Yaris, and we are going to take a look at one of these burnt out lights. We actually have a burnt out license plate light. If you're lucky, you're in a state where that doesn't matter and you don't have to stress over it. But if you are in a state that has inspections, they may fail your car's inspection due to this burnt out light. So we are going to try to fix this as quickly and easily as we can. The light is up here, which means to access it, it's right there. There may actually be a way to pop this whole thing out right here, but I don't know, and I don't want to break stuff trying to do it. But what I do know is if we pop these plastic clips out, we can get direct access. There's one. There it is right there. Let's get another one undone. Okay. Got great access now. Turn it out. Okay, now we have access to the light bulb. There we go, just yank it out. And I think I have a replacement. Let me see if I can see. Got another bulb. Well, it fits in there. Before I tuck this away, I'm just going to turn the headlights on and see if this light comes on. So this should, when you turn the headlights on, turn on that. All right, it's on. Our other one is on. We got it fixed. Just got to there we go. Just got to put these back in. And we're done. Our lights are lighting the license plate now when we turn the headlights on.